One for Claro. Please welcome Linda Evangelista.
Evangelista helped write the script for a good decade's worth of fashion history.
I'm not perfect, not anywhere near perfect, and I'm not anywhere near the most beautiful.
I really believed in. I said, see you on the cover of Vogue.
As a little tot, you could see how obsessed I was already with the fashion, and my mom was sewing for me. And I already had what looked like a Chanel belt and a Chanel purse with this red jumpsuit and major attitude posing.
I taught Linda in grade 7 and 8, and her smile lit up the classroom. She was a very hard worker, determined, dedicated, with a great sense of humor and an infectious giggle.